finally got the iPhone 11 and then the iPhone 11 Pro Max to do this fitting for you guys to check it out. This is a POETIC case. So let's go ahead and try this one first. This one's the POETIC Affinity iPhone 11 6.1 inch. Got the clear with the black silicone on the bumper. So let's go ahead and try this on. This one's the iPhone 11 6.1 inch. So it fit in there pretty nicely. Let's go ahead and check out the button. So yeah, it's pretty tactile. And this is your silent switch. Your microphone and your lightning charge port, and then your speaker grill. And then on the back you see your Apple logo right there. And then your camera cutout and your flash. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. And give you extra protection on this four corner, 2 on the top and then 2 on the bottom. Got the extra bumper in case you drop it on the concrete floor. It's gonna protect you. So let's go ahead and try on the second one for the iPhone 11. So this one is the POETIC Revolution iPhone 11 6.1 inch. So you will need to put in the cover first, but be sure to put in where the most buttons and switches at. So we're gonna start on this side first. Just be sure to line it up. And then we're gonna snap on the other side to go in. There you go. Okay. And once it slides in right now, you have to put the top portion in first. And make sure you guide the rubber silicone case around the phone. Make sure it's grab on the side, okay? Just push in. And there you go. Fit in there pretty nicely. And as you can see, the touch still works and everything. Here's your power switch or the side switch. And you can hear the pretty tactile. So this case gives you a 360-degree front, back, and then on the side and everything, even on the switch, okay? So you will need to open this flap and then switch it. Let's go ahead and then check out the button right here. This is the microphone, your lightning charging port, and then speaker grill. So this will protect the dust, dirt, lint, sand to get into your charging port, so it won't damage it. Got the camera color again. So this one allows you to buy fold as a kickstand. So you can put it landscape or portrait mode, okay? So if you put it this way, it sits at a lower angle versus if you put it this way, it tilted higher. So if you want to take it out, you got to, there's a groove right here. You see that gap? Make sure you pry your finger in there or your prying tool. And then start taking out from the one button side right here. Then that's it. So let's go and then try on the iPhone 11. Okay, this is iPhone 11 Pro Max, the Gold Edition. And this one is the Poetic Affinity again. To a silent switch, up and down button, and then your side switch button. And you can see your gold color backing, which is pretty nice. There's your camera cutout right here. And then the Poetic brand right there. So let's go and then try on the clear case. Check out this one. So this is the same thing, Poetic Affinity case, except this one is all clear. Looks pretty nice. So there you go. Oops. Look at the case, so clear. You can see the side frame and everything. And then the whole backing. Wow, looks nice. There's your Poetic brand again. All right, so let's go ahead and try on the other two. So this one is the Poetic Guardian iPhone 11 Pro Max. So again, want to start with the button, up and down button right here with the silent switch. And then all you do is just snap it on there, okay? Wow, nice. Side switch again. And your volume rocker. Then your silent switch with the flap. Your microphone, your speaker grill, and your lightning charge port with the flap cover. And this one you can see through as well. And then the touch is working fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this out. So somehow this Guardian series is easier to take it out than the Revolution. So and you want to remove the phone, the one with the one button first. Alright, so this one's the Revolution for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Gonna start on this side, the one with the most buttons. Okay, there you go. Up and down button. Pretty tactile. And your side button again. Then your silent switch. Microphone grill, and then your speaker grill. Your lightning charge port. Camera cutout, and then your kickstand. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. And I will be including the link that's going to show you within the description for all of these cases, so you can check them out. Anyway, I want to give a shout out to Leo for sending me this case to do a review. Thank you for watching. And be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, drop me in the comments down below. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.